JP here, and this is a helping hands. It's supposed to be a soldering tool. You know, when you're soldering and you need that extra third hand to hold the part while you're soldering it together. Fine idea, right? Okay, how many of you out there actually own this piece of junk? Come on, show of hands. All of you, right? Maybe you bought it because it was only $5. Maybe you picked it up as a freebie on your Alibaba order. Or maybe you really needed it. You needed something to hold your stuff while you're soldering. But it just doesn't work. Now it's just sitting on your workbench, mocking you. This is what you do. You go to the sports store and buy one of these little 2.5-pound weights. Get out your hot glue gun, then hot glue the base of the helping hands, stick it to the weight, and that's it. Suddenly, it becomes one of the most useful tools you will own. The wide base and the extra weight changes everything. It doesn't fall over. Now while you're here, you can watch my other how-to video. It's the one on the screen right now. Just click it and you're there. Now it's back to airships, rocket engines, balloons, and submarines. Thank you for watching.